they just try to improve our creativity in a very good sense. Like they just help us to create such a beautiful elevations.
ये लोग एक नए स्लीक सेक्शंस भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं एल्युमिनियम के, जो हम लोग हाई एंड विलास बना रहे हैं नोएडा और दिल्ली, इन सब एरियाज में.
So taking that leap of faith, we went ahead and ordered windows for both these schools with Window Magic. They did a good job. They did timely deliveries of good quality materials.
They have been working with us very closely in trying to find out new and innovative solutions for our requirements.
Fantastic service, it's a great product. Very unusual thing is the design options that they give you and the kind of solutions, and great experience.